2005 Mazda 6. He brought it in a while back, guys. We have another video of it online. He lowered it. I think he dropped it all the way down, what is like 2 inch or inch off the ground. And like it was before, still got the factory converters there, and there. Then what we did is true duals that was older in earlier in the year, all the way back 2 inch. And then he said, I want to change the tips. I said, okay, we'll change the tips for you. So we're on them 2 inch tailpipes, there and there, into 4 inch rolled tips, compared to the other tips that were on it, which are the 5 inch right here. As you guys can see, you want it a little bit deeper, better look. It just helps them out with, because it's so low. They were dragging because we had them tilted before. He's like, no, I want them straight out the back. I said, okay, the way you can do it. As you guys can see, so it's true dual straight pipe into 4 inch tips. It is louder. Get a guess? Whoa. Here's the sound decibels. Again. It hit 118. That's crazy. It's so low. Look how low it is. That's crazy. That's how they all should come. Again. There she is. That's what she sounds like. Let you guys hear on the inside. That looks so much better. I like it.